How to log out on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log out on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out of Twitter, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Twitter application here, and then you can currently see that I'm signed into my account. Then what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to scroll down, look for settings and support, and scroll down, go to this option called settings and privacy, as you can find that here. Once you go to this option called settings and privacy, you're going to see this type of interface, and then under it you'll find this option called your account at the very top. So just tap on your account. Once you tap on your account, all you have to do is simply go to account information. Once you go to account information, then you just need to scroll down over here, look for this option called logout, and then you'll be able to successfully log out of Twitter. And this way you can log out on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.